Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I will show you the beautiful roof decoration, wall decoration. So watch the video till end if you like. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and families. So I hope all are doing good. So let's start the video. So you can see this the roof decoration. You can see the different looking very beautiful. You can see the design decoration, and you can see this one also very beautiful. I like this one. The ever I like. You can see the up roof. You can see, and you can see from window outside. You can see, and you can watch TV. It is looking very good. And you can see this one also very beautiful place. Very beautiful place. You can see outside, and here it is. You can see the TV, and down you can see small fire flames. This is also very beautiful. You can see the roof, the lightings, and down you can see the decoration. Very beautiful decoration they did. Wood, and this were looking very attractive, beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful place. You can see up the lights. You can see inside the window. You can see this is also the up. You can see it's looking like a gold, looking very beautiful, like gold. Very beautiful looking decoration. Is very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and the wall decoration, the roof looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. Sometimes the guest is coming and sitting here watching TV, or friends are coming, or family members. So you can see this is also very beautiful decoration and design. The lightings you can see in the wall, side walls, very beautiful lighting, very beautiful decoration is very beautiful. You can see this is also very beautiful. It is like something logo or something app logo. They made it looking very beautiful. You can see the view of outside also. Decoration is very nice. You can see this one also very beautiful. The wall decoration and the roof, you can see it is like very beautiful, attractive. I like this one also very much. And you can see this one is also like okay, it's also very beautiful. I'm bringing VIP room decoration also, okay guys. So you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see this one also good. You can see the roof white color, and the lightings are there, and the cupboard you can see TV is not there, but it is okay. You can see the RT looking very beautiful, and you can see this one also the decoration very beautiful. Wall decoration looking very beautiful and attractive, and you can see this one also very beautiful. An attractive picture. You can see the roof you can see only. It is very beautiful roof they made, and looking very attractive. It's also roof and wall they made together. Decoration looking very beautiful and graceful. And you can see also they make the roof. You can see the zigzag, very beautiful white color, orange color. And you can see also this is like a disco. You going for party somewhere. Very beautiful they made. The purple lights. This is also the fan. You can see the lights and the all. It is also looking very beautiful, very attractive. So guys, if you like this video, so thanks for watching. Share with your friends and families. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Love you all. I hope all are doing good. So goodbye.